Hi, and welcome to Directable, your digital signage solution. Today, we are going to be looking at integrating PowerPoint presentations into your digital signage system with Directable. It's an easy, economical way to create a PowerPoint presentation and in a couple clicks, have it be displayed on even hundreds of televisions. So to start off, we're going to go to a PowerPoint presentation. Our system works in PowerPoint 365, Office 365, or 213 or better. So you can see just 365 here. This is all the standard offerings. We've got two slides here. They're fairly simple slides. I just made them up real quick for this demo. Nothing fancy about them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Insert and then Add-ins right there. We're going to do a quick go to Store. We're going to do a search for Directable. Just type it in and search. There it is. We're going to add that. You see it shows up here. Now there's two options. We've got sign in and sign up. Sign in is if you already have an account. Sign up is if you don't have an account yet. So if you click on that, you can go in, put your email address, and make up a password and get you all set up with the account. I already have an account, so we do sign in. Takes you to this page here where you fill out your email address and your password, click sign in. And it says go back to your PowerPoint presentation. So you do that, and here we are. You can see it says send presentation. So you click on that. And what this is doing is sending that presentation directly to your Directable portal. Successful. Now, let's go back to your Directable portal. This is what you'd log into normally to manage your account and your slides. So if we click on slides, what you can see is that I've got about 3 slides here that I've built on the slide builder here in Directable, and these last 2 are those 2 slides that I built in PowerPoint. So here we are. There's the slide right there, and you can see if we click on it and slide it around, it's treating it as one image there. Now, we can pretty easily go in and we can't edit the content, change those words around, but we can add more stuff to it. So I can drag text over here. I can do whatever I want. Type in another message, change the color of the font, things like that. I can also shrink this down in size, the entire PowerPoint screen, or I can add another image on top of it, like this guy here. Slide it there, resize it, whatever it is. Obviously, this is not the best looking slide, but it gives you the idea. We can preview it, and there it is. That's what it looks like. So going back here, we can also look at the other slide here. You can see there it is. You can edit this as well. You can see I'm going to make this a little wider here on the edge so I can slide it out to fill the whole screen. And there it is. Now typically you wouldn't have to mess around with that at all, so we'll go out there and we'll go to playlists. And you can see I've got 2 playlists here. One that I've made previously for my internal slides, and the other one is you can see the name of it there. That's the exact same name that my PowerPoint presentation was named. So when it delivers, it keeps that same name and it remembers it. So if we go in to take a look at this here are my 2 slides. Each one of them is running for 10 seconds. Now I can click on add more slides, and here are my other slides that I've built. And I can slide those in and integrate those in with that playlist. Now I'm not going to do that, so you can change the timing of them and stuff too. So we'll just leave it as is. And we'll click Save Changes, although we didn't really change anything. We'll go here. So now if we go to our TV, we've got one TV connected to this account right now. It's not synced, but we don't have to worry about that right now because yours typically would be. Go in and look at the TV. Right now it's showing the main display one. We're going to click on that name of that PowerPoint presentation to be our display. Click Save Changes, and now it's locked in. Now our PowerPoint presentation is being played on the show right now. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our PowerPoint presentation here, and you can see that what I want to do is change this up, and I'll show you how changing this presentation with that same name can automatically change the presentation that is being displayed on whether it's one TV or whether it's 100 TVs in Directable. So I'm fast forwarding through here, just showing, okay, I'm making some basic changes to the top slide, and then adding another slide here in a minute. But the whole idea is that if this PowerPoint presentation is on a shared drive and people have access to it, and it's associated with the directable account like you see on the right there, what you can do is you can have somebody update this PowerPoint presentation and make changes, and it will reflect these changes on the screens without ever going into the PowerPoint or the directable account. So now we click send or update content there, and it's uploading. Let me take a minute here. So you can see we've got 3 new slides here, or 3 modified slides. So success, there it is. We'll go back to our portal here, and we'll take a look at our slides. And you can see 1, 2, 3. These are 3 new slides. They could be totally different slides. For what we did here, we edited them here. So taking a look at the first one here, yep, it's the change slide with the palm tree in the back there. Taking a look at the last one we did with the water background, yeah, so that one's been added there. So we are going to go back to the playlist now, and you can see there's that same playlist. And now when we originally did it, just had those 2 slides. Now it's been updated to those 3 automatically. Go to TVs. There's our TV that's running it, and nothing's changed. It's still running that same PowerPoint presentation. So that content has been updated. Of course, you can visit directable.com for any other questions you have.